natural and less dramatic and mas chill, diba? Kaya nga, I was there at their premiere night. I was so proud of Mom Charo. Ang galing niya dito. And then Ding Dong also. It was a very effective yet minimalist performance. Which one day I hope they offer me something like that.
So how difficult was it resisting yung mga temptations, especially in showbiz? Especially
That was-
start ka palang mag-quit.
That was the hardest thing, sir. Parang the hardest thing is to tell people no. Diba? Na parang the hardest thing is to go to a showbiz party. And if you knew me before, back then, I'm like the life of the party. You know, people go to me and like, Jake, what's where the party? You know, that used to be my life. And the hardest thing is, the hardest thing when you're in this process of changing is to tell yourself na patay na yung version na yun, and that guy ain't coming back. Diba? But I'm lucky because I'm an actor. So I'm gonna keep reprising that guy in my acting. But in real life, that version of me does not exist anymore. Now I can use that all in my tatlong characters. Like itong Miguelito, of course, it comes from there. Diba? Or like all this craziness that I do after. It's all from my experiences in the past. Pero the hardest part is to tell yourself that that person is dead and this is the new me. And the new me has boundaries. And it's unbudgeable. Whether you're the CEO, diba, of this production or the network, or you're, a normal person, the answer will always be no. Kasi I respect myself more than anything else. So that's where I'm at. And that comes with maturity, I think. Also with age.
Curious lang din ako sa workout routine.
For what life?
Like how many packs?
2 packs a day.
A day.
Yeah. But now I vape. But obviously you don't hear that anymore. Kasi nga, I quit smoking a long time ago. It's been, if I quit drinking for close to 5 years now. So you're smoking, I quit for almost 10.
Okay, so
Mas nauna ko punit
you
yung
gave up
Yep.
Jake, despite your busy schedule, paano kayo nag-spend ang quality time ni Chi?
Yep, that's all we do. Like, sabi ko, like, ako kasi parang, we're both, pareho kaming homebody eh. Like, just like to be domesticated, spend time with the dogs. Ako, that's what I look forward to talaga. When I have a break na talaga, I can't wait to just relax and unwind with her, with the dogs. And like, up to me, that's, in terms of happiness, it's already a 10 for me. That's an amazing day na for me.
During the ABS, may pinost ka gala na picture nyo together, and then your ex made a comment, and a lot of people, parang they were celebrating the fact that you're all friends. How did you reach that point? Na parang,
I personally, I can't take any credit for that. She didn't naman comment on my phone. I do appreciate it, diba? But I also, like, for me, in my mind, that's more like, they're friends eh. So that's more for them. To be honest, like, for me, I know that the attention came to me,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah,
But I'm more like, happy that si Chi doesn't have to make her world so small. Or hindi niya kailangan mailang. Diba? Thank you na rin kay Kylie that she did that. Kasi it makes her laugh a lot easier. But for me personally, like, I don't really go to the same events. I don't really, like I said, parang, I haven't seen her in a very long time. So, I'm happy for them more than anything else.
given all your blessings now, is there anything else you wish to have?
Right
wish
now,
to achieve?
I'm really looking forward to my play. I actually got it na. Ino-on ko lang to the other day. So that was really that's how I wanted to wrap this year around. Like a lot of big celebrity moment and bench, right? Like huge moment like that. And then parang we're in the number 1 show right now, which is Batang Quiapo, which is consistently number 1. Diba? Thank you, Coco Martin, for putting me in the show. And then at the same time, in this same year, papalabas din yung What Lies Beneath. So I can't wait for people to see how I was able to differentiate both. Diba? A small spoiler is that if this Miguelito Guerrero is psychotic, the character I'm doing there naman is a sociopath. So allow me to differentiate the two for you. Diba? Because it's gonna be a very different portrayal. Then at the end of the year, I get to work with a person that I really, really look up to, which is Jacqueline Blanco in theater. That's gonna be a perfect year. And then I get to spend my birthday. My plan is, birthday ko, I traveled with my family and Chi again. Hopefully we get to go to Europe this time, but if not, Korea. Because we love Korea. Yeah, she went to Korea na.
With them, how was the...
So far. Sabi ko nga parang it's the perfect vacation right before I did all these things.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Jake, sa tagal ninyo na ni Chi, paano mo nakitang nag-evolve or nag-mature yung relationship niyo?
Us, like, you know, the thing is, kasi what's amazing about her, for me, is that she really, really allows me to be me. So, kunyari, like, I know how unreasonable that would be, you know, to a girlfriend, nasasabihin ko na parang, look, I'm gonna go to Mandaluyong City Jail for the next 6 months every morning, straight. And with her, without batting an eyelash, okay, kailangan mo gawin yun. Diba? So, the same for me, I'm like, I love you so much kasi you really, really allow, like, you get me. You understand me. And I understand her too. Sometimes, like, the support she needs, diba? Like, especially when she has a big moment in an event, or red carpet, or, you know, a dance. The best support I can give to her is to get out of the way and give that moment to her. I also understand that about her. Diba? So, that's truly, truly something I'm so grateful for about her. And that's one thing I really, really love about her. Na we can both be individuals and then come together at the end of the day. And just, sabi ko parang with her, I don't need so many big things to be happy. Parang we're just at home with our dogs and I'm so happy. Na. And parang in a way, parang it gives you a sense of peace and solitude kasi you come from a set of explosions, craziness, right? And then you get to go home to solitude and peace. I'm so blessed to have that in my life. That's Chi. That's Chi's impact.
And if you're going to compare yung 15 years old na Jake sa ngayon, paano, in terms of handling relationship, ano yung mga nakita mo? Paano siya
I
nag-mature?
think in terms of handling everything, you know, parang, for me, parang, just like that, you know, for me, it's just like that, you know, I go back to that veneers issue thing. It takes a lot of patience na hindi patulan yung isang ganung bagay. Because it's not true, diba? The hard part of it, it's a lie. Diba? That's the hard part. It's like I'm looking at this video that has traction, and then it's a lie. Like I said, I challenged the person to bring a dentist, and then, diba, like, at least find out the truth, diba? Parang ganyan. But it comes with the territory, it comes with being an actor. But I'm happy na parang I'm able to just sit down and let things play out first. Unlike when you're 15, you're so reactionary to everything. Like, oh my God, they're gonna pay. Ganyan yung, when you're a kid, young actor, even in your 20s, in your mid-20s, you have so much to prove and you want to prove it. Diba? But the good part is when you get to this stage in one's career, you're like, you've already proven yourself in a way. But it's just my hunger to keep doing more. That's what really drives me now. Parang I really want to leave a mark like Tito Ed.
May gusto ka pa bang gawin?
Yeah, like sabi ko nga, like marami pa akong gustong gawin. I'm just only getting started. Like I said, parang if I'm approaching my career the same way Tito Eddie has, I'm only in snatch one. Sa dinami-dami na ginawa ni Tito Eddie for so many years. So, I've only just gotten started.
And like a dream project or sino yung gusto mo makasama?
I'm living in it right now. Like, I'll be
Oh,
honest with you, I'm
Batang
living in it. I'm living in that reality right now with what lies beneath. I always wanted to play a convict in jail yung tema ng presito ng tema ng show. Diba? And then also, like, I'm doing my dream project, doing action with Coco Martin right now. Again, parang it's always like, parang there's always a big milestone in my life and in my career when I work with him. Whether that have been Panday, tayong dalawa, ikaw lamang. So almost like every time I work with him, it leveled me up. And I'm so grateful kasi Coco shares that with me. You know, and don't get it twisted. Diba? Parang it's really him allowing me to be part of it. And I thank him all the time. Like, I really tell him Reg D or like Coco. I call him many different names. You know, Paps, Coco, but I try my best to call him direct at all times. I always tell him thank you for the opportunity. Kasi this all won't happen if he doesn't let it. Diba? So in a way, like yung rivalry namin ni Tanggol, behind the scenes, I love it. Yeah. Thank you.